Hi everyone, Rainey here with Why Am I Green, and today I want to show you my latest purchases. I went out to Big Lots and got myself two little greenhouses. Two little greenhouses from Big Lots. You'd think they would have had big greenhouses, but actually they did. But if you're considering just having something to make seeds with, or to grow seeds with, these are only $20 a piece. So I'll show you. This one here has 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. Unfortunately, it's hard to see because the way I had to put them is with the windows behind them, so the light's coming in. But you can see on the other one a little bit better. So it's great. On the far one over there, I've got 2 trays of tomatoes, and down on the third shelf I have a tray of green peppers that they're just in the process of germinating, so they're covered. Over here I've got a couple trays of string beans that are sprouted, and down there I have a tray of, what do I have a tray of? Oh, Roma tomatoes and scallions, so they'll be coming up. Well, I just planted them, so they'll be coming up about another week or so. But just wanted to show you my greenhouses. They're for $20 right now at Big Lots. And if you like a bigger one, they actually have 2. One of them I believe was like 7 feet, 6 feet or 7 feet tall and wide, and they had another one that was close to 10. Matter of fact, it was so big it had 2 windows on the side. And I think the biggest one was only like $125. So, and you could walk in. Those of you who walk in, you had shelves all around you. These greenhouses worked out so well for me. I came to get 2 more today. As you can see, they're still $20, so I'm picking up 2 more. But while I'm here, I want to show you the other greenhouses. This is the larger one for $125. Let's go around the front. You can see it has a couple windows over here. These are Velcro roll-up windows. Hard to see, we're in the store. So it's a good sized greenhouse for $125. Let's take a look inside. Over here it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. I guess you can see the 2 windows. Get inside here, it's pretty tall. Of course, they have a lot of storage in here because it is a store. Let's take a look at what the boxes say. 12 shelves, zip it up door, 4 windows, easy to assemble, excuse me. So you can see what it looks like right there. And what does it say up here? A walk-in greenhouse. Now over here is a smaller one. Let's take a look at this one. This one's for, it's an 8-shelf walk-in greenhouse of $49. Oops. Yeah, you can probably see most of it now. And you can see the bigger one. And the $49 one, it says 8 shelves. It's kind of nice for just a small thing. It's not real heavy, so I think if you're putting something outdoors and it's going to be a little windy, this would be better. So I just wanted to show that to you. Here's something else that's kind of interesting. Let me see. This is like a self-standing greenhouse. There's 3 of them one inside each other, but this would go on top of it. Let's see. You put plants in there outside, and it's like a little mini greenhouse. You can open and close the vents. Now the neat thing about this, let me go ahead and show you this part here, is the legs on the inside are opened. So that's where the water drainage would go. And it comes all the way down, and they're hollow on the bottom so it can go right in the ground. So that's just another option for a really small greenhouse if you're going to do flowers or spices or something that don't get too tall if you plan on keeping the cover on it. And that's it. So take a look if you need to get an inexpensive greenhouse to get started. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.